that is pretty close to what we do. Let me just search for those. Right, we have those. So what I'll just do is I will replace that with that. Yep, looks much better. Then we play it again from the start here. And we can bring this down, I believe. Yay! Done it on the video editor. Hey! Mama, see your boy. Okay. Okay, again, we don't deal with traffic, but we can change that as well. So we come here, we'll note police agencies. Still, I will put in something to do with call center service, or customer service, right? And such. Yay! Some blacks finally. Not be racist. I just love my people. There you are. So replace that. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, and there's a software as well I have that you can use to develop intros and outros, which I'll share in the next video. So let me just, you guys should just hire us. It's as simple as that. Thank you. Well, that's how video is going to look like when I download it and save it. So let me just